Welcome to a cute little pink bicycle lock that I found on the street today. Yeah, looks like one of these cheap locks that actually have no physical security and are easy to pick open. Regarding the physical security, we'll have a look at this property a little bit later, but now I want to pick this lock. Surprisingly, it has a slider core inside. We can peek inside and there we can see the sliders. Left and right on the bottom and nothing here on the top. So let's try to pick it open. I used the method with changing tension wrenches. I first tension it on the bottom and pick the top sliders. Just use a deforest and go in sideways and twist it. It's not the first time that I try to pick it on camera. Off camera I picked it a couple of times, but I want to be not too long with the picking on camera, so I try to get this lock picked within the first 2 minutes of this video. Yeah, that's the challenge for me with this lock. I don't feel much, to be honest. I just twist the pick and see if there's something in the way, and then I push it out of the way. And there is nothing more that I could push out of the way. Could also be that I've overset something. We'll find out just in a second. Oh, we are past 2 minutes. I've seen I've released tension and nothing returned, so I believe we are not in an overset state. And we're open. Alright, so 2 minutes 20 after starting this video. Yeah, lock is picked, lock is closed again. Now let's go downstairs and see how much physical abuse this lock can withstand. Okay, let's get started. I first want to see how thick the cable actually is. Let's cut this open. Oh, there's not much cable within this thick rubber here. Wow, amazing! Most of the thickness is actually the rubber. Or silicone, I don't know. Something which is really soft. It's good to protect the bike from scratches. But you can see, that's just a tiny little cable. And maybe I can just cut it with my wire cutter. I'm not sure. Here you see my desperate attempts to get the steel cable cut with a regular wire cutter and a metal saw freehand. The setup is not optimal and it took me about 3 minutes in total. A real criminal with some little bolt cutters would be much quicker. Also, wait for the end for another test. Now we are done. So sorry that it took so long to cut this tiny wire in half. But I think, yeah, the point is, it looks like a thick cable, but compared to the actual wire, there is only a little diameter of security within this lock. The core is not bad with a slider lock. You can't rake it, and I don't think that this is really subject of a picking attack in the wild. Yeah, Little fun for no money, as I found it on the street, as I said. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and bye bye. Okay, I have another test. Let's assume that this is mounted to the bike and I can somehow put my fruit inside so that I can stretch the cable, and then under tension I can try to cut it through with a saw. Let's see if this goes any quicker with my more or less dull saw blade. Okay, that was much quicker. So I think with a realistic setup that you can hold the bike with one foot and pull on the cable with a hand, and then you can cut it through with your saw. You have seen that's a matter really of seconds. And as I said, with a good bolt cutter or cable cutter, you also get it through within some seconds. Alright, cheers and bye bye. And by the way, that's paint, no